Hey guys, it's Tyler Daw with Remax Connects, and I'm here to introduce our newest listing at 24 Menzie Avenue in Guelph. This is located in St. Patrick's Ward, which is Guelph's fastest growing community. It's got 100-year-old homes, but it's also got new homes dotted with infill lots. Benefit of this guy is a 3-minute walk to the Royal City Recreational Trail, which has multiple parks attached to it, along with Aramasa River Park, Lion Park, as well as York Road Park. So if you guys have young kids, if you have dogs, it's a great trail system for you to walk, run, or take the little ones out. You'll notice that the closest intersection is York and Victoria Road, and Victoria Road in Guelph acts as a major artery to be able to have quick in and out access from the city, as well as Highway York Road turns into Highway 7, which you could go east out of the city that way. So in terms of location, you can't get better. Now let's look at the house. This particular house is 1,635 square feet. It's got 3 bedrooms, 4 washrooms, and it's got a full finished basement with a separate entrance. If we look at this property, I'm going to take you through the main floor first, and you'll come in. Here's the entranceway with the nice guy's hall closet. Okay, and we move out into an open concept living, where you have your kitchen, your dining room, and your living room. We'll go into the kitchen, we'll spin it around so you can see the cabinets. They're all extended cabinets. All hardwood floor throughout. Just spin it back around to the entranceway. It's a nice functional layout for you guys. And as you can see to the far end by the dining room, we have sliders which goes out to the yard. So the lot itself is 33 by 79. It seems small for a lot of you people, but for someone that wants low maintenance, it's absolutely perfect. It's a fully fenced yard and it's great for entertaining. We're going to show you that at the very end. Okay, so now what we're going to do, guys, we're going to go up the stairs. You can see with the windows at the front and the windows up the stairs, it's nice and bright. We're going to go into the master bedroom right now. Okay, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to zoom out so you guys can see the upstairs layout. And then you can see there's 3 bedrooms. It's got 1 common washroom as well as a full master suite. Everything was done 3 years ago. It looks phenomenal. All right, now we'll head into the master bedroom. We're going to do a little spin around so you guys can take a look. This is awesome. We'll go into bedroom number 2. And then what we're going to do, we'll also go to bedroom number 3. All the bedrooms are good sized bedrooms. You can see the sizes online. There is a link right down here for the property website where you can see the stills, you can see the 3Ds, you can see the floor plans, you can see the aerials, as well as our video walkthrough, along with me taking you through right now. What couldn't be better? So we're gonna pull it back out. All right, we're gonna show you the layout. It's a traditional 2-story. But also, if you look around the side here, you can see the side entrance to the basement. The basement was just professionally finished. It's got the whole 9 yards with pot lights as well as a nicely finished bathroom. But we'll go down the stairs. Okay, maybe there's some potential for an in-law suite here, but definitely if you need an extra room for the kids to play, it doesn't clog up everything else and the toys can go in the basement. So come on and take a look. Nice new laminate floors, freshly painted. Okay, and then we'll go into the bathroom. You got great ceiling height in here. We'll go back into the main room. Okay, hopefully you got a good idea of the basement there, but let's pull it back out. All right. And now I just want to rotate again and kind of go on the top so you get a better view. We're going to go into the kitchen one more time. Just want you to look at the countertops, the cabinets, the flooring, and get the full feel of this place, okay? this place is awesome. The location is a nice, chic, up-and-coming area. It's popular for a lot of younger people. They're having condo conversions in this area. They have brand new townhouses being built at the old Biltmore Hats factory. Just walking around this area, the history that you're gonna see is just gonna be incredible. So let's go outside by saying that. Okay, we'll go outside the front now. So now you can see it does have a double car driveway. It is paved. And then we're gonna slide around. You can see above now, you'll be able to see a little bit of the neighborhood. And then we'll come back down into the yard so you guys can see. It's nice and private out there. It's perfect for gatherings, fully fenced lot. So if you do have a dog, it's perfect for you. And for the space for the dog is the park down the street, which I mentioned earlier. Guys, these houses don't come up very often. So, you know, the other alternative is to have a house and fully renovate it. This has all been done 3 years ago, brand new. We call it an infill lot. And we know the builders. I can get you information on them. You can ask any questions you'd like. But this is not gonna last long. And at $649,900, it is an absolute steal. So call me now, 519-837-6000. I can send you this whole website, send you the tour so you can see what you're getting at. And then if you did like it and it's something that you want to put an offer in on, I can get you through that house. We have safety measures in play, but you have to see this property. These photos look great, but they do not do it justice. So call me today, right? 519-837-6000. It's Tyler Dahl from RE/MAX, and this is 24 Menzie Avenue, located in Guelph in St. Patrick's Ward. I look forward to selling this baby. All right, we'll see you soon.